Hi, you lovelies, how are you? As you can see, I have a gigantic box here from, can you see it? It's really huge and heavy. It's really big. We have things from H&M, only one thing actually. One thing from Cos and a few things from Arket. Also, can you remember in my last video I told you that I am waiting for our dining table, the new dining table to arrive. It has arrived, but in the wrong color. The table and the chairs all in the wrong color. So this is very unfortunate. Therefore, I can't show you really the new table, but I will do that once it arrives. I have also ordered a few really beautiful pieces from ZARA Home. I may link them down below for you, or list them down below at least, so that you can go and check them out if you are curious. So I would say we start with H&M. And this hat, I'm sure you have seen something similar like this one on my channel. I ended up sending that one back. It was from Gigi. I can't recall it, but I will insert it here. That was, of course, much more expensive than this one, but this one is identical, I would say. Of course, the other one had a bit better quality. Here, I mean, this is 100% wool, right? But if you look at it closely, you see a bit of discoloration here, which I don't like. I think the color, the ISO, I need to go up with the ISO because, is it better? I had to go up a little bit with the ISO because it's really dark. Today is a dark day. Anyway, continuing with this hat, this one is not perfect because you can see a little bit of this, I wouldn't say discoloration, but patches here, very, very so slightly. But I thought, I mean, I am keeping it. I thought it's really great for just trying out the trend without spending a fortune, because these hats can be really, really expensive. So I really like it. What can I tell you? The sizing is great. I am willing to try out this trend. I have to say it feels a bit weird going out with a hat like this. Always depends, of course, on the area you are in or on the country, city where you are wearing your stuff, right? So for me, it will get, I get a few looks, I have to admit, but I need to get used to it. I really like it. That's what I can tell you. And then next piece is one from Cos. Gosh, how many jackets like this does one need, right? As you can see, the tag is still on because it just arrived. And I think I will keep this one. I have also ordered another one, slightly different, but the same. Slightly different, longer, and then you can cinch the waist from Uniqlo. That one is a really beautiful one, and I will show it to you once it arrives. But for now, let me show you this one. I should not forget you here, right? So I will show you how I style this one. I have many ideas for it, but I thought it's a really beautiful one. I really like it, really like it. And it's black, you know, I don't have any black, any jacket like this in black. So yeah, I'm justifying my having three similar jackets from three actually different brands. And yeah, so I have high hopes. I mean, I love it. I think I'm gonna keep it. What do you think? Should I? I think I should, right? So you see, I get really excited. I think this is a really good find. and I love it. I can't wait for the temperatures to rise and to be able to wear this kind of jackets. The jacket from Uniqlo, I don't want to insert any photos. I'm maybe a bit too careful with this kind of things because of copyright. I will link it down below for you. I have really, really high hopes for that jacket. It's a long one, it's a parka, but with a cinched in a waist situation. Honestly, there is a jacket from Tov. I think it's the brand is called Tov. I'm not sure. I will insert it here again. There's a jacket from that brand that I love. The color, everything is perfection. But that jacket retails for, I think, more than 1,000 euros. I mean, can you imagine? It's just polyamide or polyester, I'm not sure. Anyway, I mean, these kind of jackets are usually, right? But still, I can't get myself to spend so much money on a lightweight jacket, right? So I looked high and low, and just after ordering that jacket from Uniqlo, I saw two other ones that I also really like. I will link them down below. They are very inexpensive, and I am also even thinking of putting a video together with all my favorite lightweight jackets for the upcoming season. So let me know if you're interested in this kind of videos as well. I myself have an obsession, I don't know how you want to call it. I love lightweight jackets. Moving on, I also bought three other pieces from Arket that are worth mentioning because they are so beautiful. I get rid of this jacket because I think this is probably too loud for the microphone. Anyway, this is a beautiful one, and I am thinking, do you see the mess? No. Thinking of keeping it. I think I will keep it. I really like it. Anyway, then we have this very lightweight, soft cashmere top by Arket. Oh gosh, this is such a this is like a toy for me, because you can play so much with a top like this. You can do so much with it. The other day, I don't think I have a photo, but the other day I was wearing it together with, this is from Arket actually as well, this shirt. So the shirt underneath the top is very lightweight, as I mentioned before. Looked so good. And then the sleeves, I folded them up. I really, really liked the combination. And also I have a confession to make. I lose my words. I ended up ordering the Benny belt. I think it's called Benny belt from Kate, and it's on its way to me. And I thought this top with that belt in black, I ordered it in black this time around, would look so good. By the way, I found that belt on sale. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but for an incredibly good price. I will link it down below for you. So anyway, I thought this top, that belt, a pair of black jeans, chef kiss for me at least. So with this top, I will have a lot of fun. I know it, because of the color, because of this beautiful material, and also it's not too long. So just a great, as I mentioned before, toy for me, like a toy, right? I have another small piece. The color, such a good color. If you have a similar complexion like myself, you will love this color, and you don't come by this color very often, and I really, really love it. Normally I don't go with necklines like this one because this is just too revealing for my taste, but because of the color, my skin color blends in and it doesn't look that revealing for some reason. Anyway, if I will see, if I don't feel comfortable with it, I can always put something on put on something underneath it. But I tried it without anything underneath, and I really, really liked it. So next piece, oh, I should not forget about this one, this beauty. This piece, you will laugh, because I'm sure if you have watched if you are a regular visitor, if you have watched a few of my videos, you will remember this piece, right? I bought something very similar like this one from TV a few videos ago. I really liked it. Really, really liked it. The quality was so good. It was more than a t-shirt. But I ended up sending it back because, again, I couldn't get myself to spend my hard-earned money on a t-shirt. And I mean, you will think sometimes I spend a lot of money on things that don't make sense to some people. But anyway, it didn't make sense in my head, and I sent it back. Then a few days ago, I came across this beauty. This is a t-shirt. This is truly a t-shirt, not a top. It's not as thick as the one by TB, but the price difference is just mind-blowing. This retails for around 30 euros, I believe. And yes, and the one from TB above 300 euros, I believe. 350, if I'm not wrong. Anyway, so the price difference is there, is big, is huge. The quality difference, you can't really compare them, because this is a t-shirt without any paneling. I would say this is a different item, but still does the job, and I really liked it. And I love Arket t-shirts. I have many Arket t-shirts, and I'm happy with them. It also comes in a gray and white combination. That one is a nice one as well. So really like this one. Then this transparent clear bangle, I think it was last year or 2 years ago, I saw something very similar to this one from Massimo Dutti. Really liked it. It was sold out so quickly. I couldn't get my hands on that one. So when I saw this one on Arket side, I got really excited, and I had to order it. So I ordered it in size small, once in small and then once in medium large. But I have to say, the only difference, I think I still have it. Let me get it for you. So here we have it in two different sizes. This one being size, is it recording? Yes. It's always a, nightmare if it stops recording. Anyway, here, this one is in size small, and this one is size medium or large. They come only in these two sizes. I think they are exactly the same. I'll show you what I mean. So this is medium, and as you can see, it goes up to here. And then here we have small, right? It's exactly the same. Really nice. I really like it. Such a fun piece, especially for the summer months, Yeah, now I think I will keep the smaller one, because here it's just too open for my arm, and I'm afraid of losing it. Can you see? I could lose it easily. So for this reason, I will stick to the smaller one. So let us move on to homeware. So the first one, you saw that one in my last video. I showed you one of these candle holders. I really, really liked it. It is such a beautiful color. It is very neutral. It goes with everything. I think this color goes with everything. Such a beautiful piece. I think that will be really nice on our dining table once it arrives in the right color. Then I also bought these dishes for, I thought we love ice cream in the summer months, and I thought these could be really nice serving dishes for ice cream or any kind of pudding, So, and the quality, really sturdy and beautiful quality. You touch it and you feel the quality, really nice. So this one I showed you last time. Since my last video, I have used it so much. I love the design of it, and it is designed by a Portuguese artist. I really enjoy it, and also my kids love this bowl for some reason. Then I also ordered a few of these plates in different sizes. This is the medium size. It also comes in a bigger size, and the bigger size would be amazing for Iranian rice cake, if you want to call it. I'm sure if you have any Iranian friends or relatives, you know what I'm talking about. Again, designed by the same artist. I think such a beautiful piece. So here we have the bigger one, just for you to see them next to each other. So this one will be great for the Persian rice cake, I think. So such a pretty one. I don't know if you can tell, but I can't wait for our dining table to arrive and test drive all these things and use these items and see them in action. And also these plates are all machine washable. So just for you to know, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have, like always, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will see you hopefully on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.